Okay, so first of all, I want to say thank you to everyone that actually joined us this year, 2024. So I'm gonna wish everyone a very prosperous year and a flourished year. So right into it, I decided to actually prepare a little herbs with our normal kitchen spices that we normally use. But at the end of the video, you're gonna see I actually added particular Ayurveda, which I didn't actually mention. So if you remember back when we were all growing up, like our grandma, they're always doing different types of herbs. I know we all have different types of grandma that are actually doing different types of herbs, but there's at least in our family, in each family, there's actually that one person, either mom or the grandma, that's actually preparing one particular herbs that is actually good for the immune system. So I used to remember when my grandma used to actually let's just go a little down the memory lane. My grandma used to do this herb, like even up to today I'm still looking for that particular herbs that she's actually using. But this particular one, I know there's once in a while she actually prepares this particular one that I'm actually preparing right now with all the spices that I'm using right now in this video. But I remember clearly very well onions. They actually made me hate onions. Like, they prepare this onion and in short, they will slice it, they will add this particular herbs into it, and after preparing it, both eating, both bathing, both rubbing the body, everything together, and I'll be like, these people should actually pity me, people should actually have mercy upon me, because the smell of it, oh god, it actually made me like, this hatred for onions. But onions actually have a lot of benefits, so with ginger, so with garlic, so with lemon. But you see that onions is just like, I don't know, it's like there's a very particular, I don't know, the love they have for that onions in my family. Like, they will just prepare the thing, this one is not the one I'm even using right now. I just use a little amount of the dosage they actually use when they're preparing herbs. So especially for me particularly, they'll just, my mom will, as in especially my mom, like, she will slice the thing. I'm talking about my grandma mom. My grandma mom is even small, but when they will slice it, to the point that even me myself, and when they mix the herbs and everything, and they start using to rub my body, with them to swallow it out, like, god, oh god. It took me years to actually love onions again, because the way I prepare, if I'm preparing any dish that I'm actually preparing, I'll just do what, I'll just mix it, or I grind it very well to be totally smooth. But based on that, I'm trying to make a particular herb that's actually good for the immune system, so I had to like slice it, and I know I'm going to actually soak it and allow it to infuse for some days. So if you're seeing in this video, I've actually sliced the main ingredient that I'm actually supposed to slice. I didn't actually how will I call it, I had to like put all the ingredients together, and I would have actually sliced more, but it was still even remaining. I didn't even use all the ingredients. I actually had to keep a little bit, because how will I call where I was actually, the jar bottle that I'm actually putting everything into is not a very big one, so I just had to make sure that anything I'm using doesn't have to be excess, and it doesn't have to be little, because it's actually going to stay for some days. And this particular ingredient that I actually prepared right now is actually good for those with cough, and it's also very good for the immune systems, because it has different type of benefits. Now you're combining all the ingredients together, you know how powerful this ingredient is. And for those with how will I call I'm trying to, the different types of benefits I had, and I actually had to add vinegar into it. But some people, I wanted to say, some people can actually go for honey alone. Some people can actually go for honey alone. They might not actually add the vinegar, but for why I added the vinegar, so that it can actually help me mix everything together. And at the ending of it, I had to add a particular herb into it. It's actually a common herb, I didn't have the leaf, so I only had it in powdered form, so I had to like add it into the powdered form so that it could mix together. And I'm going to allow it to infuse for some days before I start taking it. But you can actually start taking it even the first day that you actually prepared it. You can start taking it. It doesn't have a problem. There's no problem with you to start taking it first day you're preparing.